Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We all learn about how to crop video in Premiere Pro. Today is topic how to crop video. So let's get started. So first of all, first step is open your project, any project. Okay, open your any project. Wait a minute. Okay, open your any project. Okay, and second step is click on that effects and click on that video effects and scroll down and click on that transform and see that crop. Say click and drag and drop, simple. Okay, and see that crop. Okay, fx crop. So see left, top, right and bottom. So say left crop, see that left crop, top crop, right right crop and bottom crop. Okay, so this is fixed. Okay, say I choose bottom crop and okay, and say crop part is hide and then see that left half is crop and see that crop part is hide. Okay, say export. See that left side crop, left side part crop. Okay, so thank you all of that, and make sure like, subscribe and share. Bye bye, peace out.